Alrighty, today is the day. It is. Okay, I love Five Guys. I really do. Amazing burgers, made fresh, daily. Everything's fresh, nothing's frozen. Their burger patties, their French fries, delicious. So I'm gonna order some Five Guys here and bring it to my house because I'm hungry. So I want the cheeseburger, some mayo, some lettuce, some pickles, tomatoes, onions. Add to cart. And then I want those French fries. Those French fries are amazing. No, I don't want anything else. Thank you. I appreciate that upsell. I'm gonna do a standard. Okay. They want $27.87, and that's before I even add the tip. Don't order. Go back. No. Let's back up a moment, okay? So with the tip on top of that, it would be about $32. Are you crazy? What are we smoking? Are we smoking something here? What is happening in the world? No, $32. One burger, large fry, home delivery. It's absurd. If you think that is a natural thing, that's okay, it's not. It's not okay. All right, so my question is, how many burgers can I make for the same price as one burger and a large fry delivered to me here at home? How many burgers can I make? First, I need to run to the grocery store. Let's go. All right, so we're at the grocery store. This isn't hard. There's not a lot of ingredients. Should be in and out real quick. We need the beef. That's important. We need buns. We don't want buggered up buns, but I found a pack. We need lettuce, tomato, onion, potatoes, cheese. Am I missing anything? I don't think so. So let's run in, let's get the ingredients, get back home. Okay, so we're back from the store. This is a quick shop, real easy, because it's real basic ingredients. So we got the buns, the tomatoes, the cheese, the potatoes, lettuce, onion, and the meats. And our bill was $27.37. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. So let's see how many burgers I can make with $27.37. Let's go. Okay, so first we have to portion out the patties. I don't know if you know this, but at Five Guys, each of their patties weighs 3.3 ounces, and each burger comes with 2. So I'm gonna portion out these meats, so each patty is at 3.3 ounces. Oh, almost 2.8. Add a little bit more. Oh my goodness. 3.3. All right, perfect. So now I'm gonna smash it down. And I'm gonna add another patty to the top. So now it should be 6.6.
Now I'm going to repeat that process until all my ground beef is formed into patties.
So how many burgers was I able to make? I made 11 burgers. That's 22 patties for the price of 1 from Five Guys. That's unbelievable. Now we gotta get on to the potatoes. So let's go, let's head over to the potatoes and get those started. All right, so let's slice up some potatoes. At Five Guys, they don't peel the potatoes, so we're gonna keep it just like that. And I'm gonna put it through the potato slicer here. Using my muscles. Perfect. And then we're just gonna place them in the water here. All right, so that's real simple. We did a whole bag of potatoes. They're all here in the water. And next step is we're gonna place them in the fryer. And we're gonna do a two-step method. First is at a lower heat, and then we'll fry again at a higher heat. Make sure they're golden, crispy, yummy. So let's head over to the fryer.
So again, we're doing a two-step process here. We're gonna put the French fries in first for the first batch at a lower temperature, about 300. And we're just gonna do that to get them like cooked inside, get them tender, and then we're gonna take them out and we'll do a second fry. So let's go. There we go. All right, they're looking good, so let's take them out. Good fries. Okay, you just put them on the pan here. And they'll just sit until we're ready for that second fry. Okay. Now we're gonna toast the bread.
It only takes a few minutes for the buns to get toasted, so once those are done, we'll remove and start on the patties. Add salt and pepper. We let the burgers cook for about 3 to 4 minutes and then we flip. Now we're gonna build our burgers. We're gonna place 2 pieces of American cheese on the bottom patty, and then we're gonna place the second patty on top of the cheese. Now, since I have so many burgers, I have to set my buns up like an assembly line. I'm gonna dress them with mustard, ketchup, mayonnaise, lettuce, onion, tomatoes, and pickles, and then I'll place my patties on top.
I have to slip on the floor here. A little slippy. Assembly line. Oh.
I'm also working on that second fry, and they'll be in the fryer for about 5 minutes.
All right, so how did we do? Look at this. We have 11 burgers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11! And 5 pounds of French fries for the same cost as 1 burger from Five Guys. Are you crazy? This is crazy. This is crazy. It's amazing. The other question, how'd I do? How does it taste? Just, let's try it. Look how big this is. Double patty. Look, 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 look. Got 2 patties, 2 pieces of cheese, lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles. Let's give it a big bite. I don't know if I can get my mouth around it. It's huge. Oh my God, that's so good. That's delicious. Wow, that is amazing. The patties are just juicy and delicious. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I love the cost even better. Because we got all this food for $27. My gosh, it's amazing. So, the next time you're thinking about like, do I really want to spend 30 bucks for one cheeseburger and some fries? Think again. Make it at home. You can have all this food. You can feed your family, feed your friends. You can have meals for the rest of the week. I mean, you just can't go wrong. Make it at home. Make it at home. All right, I'm done. I want to eat my cheeseburger. Wow, that's so good.